Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can turn off the vibration at the Redmi Note 14. And I think you've realized it already, even if you have muted your phone, you're still having vibration with incoming messages or notifications and so on. Let me show you how you can stop it. For that we will need the settings for, so just look for the settings app. Then you need to go to the point, there is some vibrations again here, and then tap you on the point sound and vibration. And almost at the end of the list, we will have the part for the vibration. And yeah, if you have muted your phone, the vibrate for calls is disabled. And if you want to stop it completely, then yeah, turn off your vibrate in silent mode. And what I recommend to you as well, if you don't like the vibration, even if you have touched the screen and so on, sometimes you will feel a little vibration as well. You can also turn it off here like that. So then silent mode. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and sorry for my English by the way. And yeah, I've created also some other videos with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.